Welcome to Car Magica, your trusted channel for the latest automotive reviews, detailed specifications, and in-depth insights into cars, motorhomes, and beyond. Today, we turn our spotlight to the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a bold new expression of American luxury on wheels that seamlessly blends iconic Cadillac design with cutting-edge comfort and innovation. Known for redefining what it means to travel in style, Cadillac now steps confidently into the motorhome market, delivering a vehicle that promises sophistication, versatility, and a true sense of grandeur wherever the road leads. From the very first glance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome captivates with its commanding presence and modern design philosophy. Its sculpted body features clean, angular lines, a signature shield grille, and the unmistakable Cadillac crest, all set on a extended platform. Premium paint choices, including striking two-tone finishes, elevate the motorhome's stately appearance. Distinctive LED blade lighting, 22-inch polished alloy wheels, and retractable side steps add functional elegance to the exterior. Powering. This luxury motorhome is an advanced V8 hybrid powertrain that combines Cadillac's classic smooth performance with eco-conscious efficiency. Whether cruising on open highways or navigating scenic backroads, the ride remains exceptionally quiet and composed. An adaptive air suspension system delivers Cadillac's signature magic carpet ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease, all-wheel drive, and selectable drive modes. Make it equally capable for urban touring and off-grid exploration. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a mobile luxury suite. The interior showcases finely stitched leather seating, authentic wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting to suit every mood. Thoughtful zoning separates living spaces into a plush lounge with power reclining seats, a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, an elegant master bedroom with a spacious queen-size bed, and a span-inspired bathroom featuring marble details and a rainfall shower. Innovation is at the heart of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A digital cockpit provides real-time navigation, system diagnostics, and intuitive voice-activated controls. Comfort is enhanced with AI-based climate management, while entertainment comes alive through a premium surround sound system and multiple high-definition OLED displays. Staying connected is easy with built-in 5G internet, satellite communication, and remote monitoring accessible from your smartphone. Smart home integration allows seamless control of lighting, temperature, and kitchen appliances right from the touchscreen or your device. Safety is engineered into every journey, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keep, assist, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for full visibility. Additional protections include fire detection sensors, tire pressure monitoring, and discrete security cameras, offering peace of mind wherever you travel or park. In essence, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome redefines luxury travel. It's not merely transportation, but a carefully crafted sanctuary on wheels, perfect for those who value elegance, performance, and modern convenience. If you enjoyed this in-depth look, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more exclusive reviews of luxury cars, motorhomes, and the latest in automotive innovation. This is Car Magica, bringing you the best from the world of vehicles, one review at a time.